I think today will end up being our coldest day of the winter of 22-23. Hi, everybody. Kevin O'Neill from Storm Team 2. Last year, 2022, our coldest temperature was 1 degree, and our coldest temperature as of this recording is 0 degrees. We still have a chance we might drop back to below 0 for the first time in 4 years. Last time below 0 was February of 2019. And incidentally, our coldest temperature ever was minus 20 officially. We've done that twice. Last time was, I believe, 1961, both in February. And slightly above average temperatures, though, are on the way. So that's why I say whatever we bottom out at today, it looks like it'll be 0 as of this Saturday morning recording. This should be our coldest temperature of the 22-23 winter. So temperature-wise, we are going to rebound into the teens today in the afternoon and into the mid-20s by the, into the teens this morning and into the mid-20s or so this afternoon. But notice how temperatures climb. A warm front will give us increasing clouds. It'll be a lovely, I would say a mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon. A beautiful peak the moon will appear full tonight, which is wonderful. But temperatures climb, but the winds will strengthen, and we become cloudier overnight as well. The February full moon is called the snow moon. With the lunar cycle being about 29 and a half days, we get about 12 or 13 full moons a year, 13 this year. So which month we'll have 2? August. We'll have 2 full moons, so a blue moon in late August. I love talking about the moon. That was one of my how I got into weather, really. My fascination with stars and planets and the moon and looking up, and then everything else. I always had my head in the clouds, is the joke I say as a kid. So very happy to earn my broadcast meteorology certificate. Here we go with a future look, and again, you will see I don't have any precipitation in the forecast today, okay? I think clouds will thin. Chautauqua County, you will get a mix of sun and clouds by 1 p.m. or so, and all of us eventually transfer from mostly to partly cloudy today. Okay, again, a lovely moon, but then clouds do increase tonight. It'll become windy, your windows rattling overnight. That does for me. It kind of wakes me up too. 40-mile-an-hour gusts tonight. Don't be surprised by that. And if you have any decorations out, I don't know, Valentine's Day decorations, if you have those out, just be aware of those wind gusts tomorrow then of 45 miles per hour. It becomes cloudy tomorrow. Much of the day is dry tomorrow. In the afternoon, there'll be a brief wintry mix. I would say rain/wintry mix. You'll see it depicted there. Notice how fast it moved. So again, rather inconsequential for your outdoor plans tomorrow, but yeah, we can't rule out a couple of flakes being observed tomorrow across western New York in the afternoon. And then overnight, Sunday night into Monday, a brief snow, a lake effect snow for the hills of southern Erie County and the Chautauqua Ridge. Under an inch as anticipated, and then Monday will be dry as well. Wind gusts, miles per hour is our unit here. I wish these were our temperatures. This is miles per hour and what to expect overnight. Actually, now that I say that, our temperatures overnight will be in the 30s, but our wind gusts will be in the 30s, approaching 40 overnight as well. So just heads up, don't be surprised by the strengthening wind tonight. So we make it to about 26 today. Becoming partly cloudy, but then we warm overnight as well. We climb slowly through the 30s. We'll start off our day tomorrow in the mid-30s or so. Our high got us at 41 officially, so we're all going to make it around 40. But not a very pretty day. It's going to be cloudy, dry for the most part, but then a brief rain, wintry mix for areas south. That's in the afternoon, and gusts up to 45 miles per hour. The wind to settle down Sunday night. With maybe a spotty snow, again, maybe a dusting at the most. Across western New York, a mix of sun and clouds in the 30s on Monday. And here we go again with another front giving us additional cloud cover, warmth, and rain likely for Tuesday. And then the models are kind of all over the place for later on in the week. So I do have warmer than average temperatures. You see I had wintry mix across much of western New York for Friday, but all snow, I believe, for the southern tier on Friday. Way too early to try to pin amounts, but no big snows or storms coming for the next 7 days.